Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Take only what resonates. For those of you na gusto mo pa personal reading, ito yung details para dyan. Ayan. So, um, yeah. And also, if you want to avail yung mga products namin such as Evil Eye na, yeah, katulad nito, this is yung newest sa aming product ngayon. Complete siya ng Lucky Herbs, Ritualize, Bless, and Cleanse yan. So, yeah, if you want to invite luck sa inyong buhay, you might want to check it out. Unipri, UNIPRI, yan yung aming TikTok shop. Let's start. What do we have here for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn? What do we have here for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn? Yeah, you're currently not sure about something na pwedeng may kinalaman sa business or maybe may kinalaman sa finances or maybe an advice na binibigay sinasabi sa'yo, you're not so sure about this anymore with the Hierophant, lalo na kung may mga bagay ka natutunan, nalaman, or maybe you are already, sabihin na natin, marunong ka na eh. Kumbaga, alam mo na yung dapat mong gawain. And the devil is here, so you feel being manipulated or parang may ibang nasusunod para sa'yo regarding this decision. Pero sa ngayon, you are currently trapped, no? Parang you want na umalis sa situation na yan, but you can't. Ayan. So, but nandun na yung feeling na parang hindi ka na kasi sigurado regarding dito. You want to end this thing or stuff. So, who is this person na kakonect mo? Pagdating sa love, the person that you're dealing with, the earth sign, the person that you're dealing with, the earth sign, the person that you are dealing with, sino the person na kakonect mo? For the sign of earth sign, okay. The person that you're dealing with is the 9 of Wands and the 10 of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yung iba sa inyo, this is like maybe I don't know, part of your family. Yung iba related pa rin to dun sa main energy mo. Maybe you feel like this person is parang tinrato nyo ng pamilya. Or maybe if this is a business, parang tinarato mo ng pamilya itong mga taong involved dito. And so it's like a challenge for you. Pero with the Five of Swords, you feel like there are things na you need to let go. Yeah, lalo na kung hindi na nagiging okay, nagiging struggle na siya for you, and you want to, the Fool is here, you want to focus on the new beginning. Kaya lang, in order for you na makapag-focus on new beginning, alam mo na kailangan mo munang i-end yung bagay na dapat mong i-end. And ngayon, mararamdaman mo na parang hindi na ito mag-workout para sa'yo. So, and or yung connection mo with this person, nararamdaman mo na you need to let this person go kasi hindi naman na nag-work out yung mga bagay-bagay sa inyo. So, ano yung mga emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa for the sign of Earth sign, mga emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. One last shuffle. Okay. Emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa. Earth sign. Okay. Five of Pentacles. So I can see you having problem with finances, money. Ten of Pentacles is here pero naramdaman kay reversal. Yeah, maraming nawawala sa'yo kahit anong pagod mo, sikap mo. At paghihirap mo, medyo nahihirapan ka kasi you feel like this is no longer working for you, especially pagdating sa professional life. I don't know, some of you, ang focus mo kasi is money, hindi naman love. But, pagdating sa usaping love, maybe this person, kahit anong ipakita niya, it's not enough. Or kahit anong ibigay niya, it's not enough. Financially, pwede nagkakaroon ng problema. And you are trying your best na mag-focus din sa mga makakapagbigay pa ng skills, knowledge, at advancement pagdating sa'yo as you as a person. So, you are focusing sa pag-develop ng sarili mo, pag-develop ng finances mo, but you feel like hindi na nag-work out kasama itong taong ito. So, you want changes here. So, ano yung emotion ng person ito for you? For the sign of earth sign, emotion niya for you. For the sign of earth sign. Take only what resonates, guys. Seven of Swords is here, the Page of Pentacles, and the Temperance. Okay, this person, they try their best, no, na ibigay yung kaya nilang ibigay. Like, they are being patient pagdating dito sa connection ninyo. And if this has something to do with business, kasi sabi ko nga yung iba hindi naman love-related to, pwedeng people doon sa area na yon, they want to give you or present everything na kaya nilang i-present, kung ano yung mga lahat na meron sila. Binibigay nila in order for you na magtiwala ka lang, parang ganun. Temperance is here. They want you to have patience. And the Seven of Swords is here. So, they already knew, no? Or alam niya na, no? Sa love, na you no longer, kahit mawala siya or mawala sila, you no longer care or okay lang para sa'yo. So they have this idea. Kaya nga tinatry nila yung best nila na as much as possible is pahaba-habain pa yung pag-iisip mo or gawin yung best nila para i-push. No? I feel like they are giving you advice and well, ayoko maging mean, pero yung energy is like, they know that they need you. Okay? Alam nila na kailangan ka nila. No? And, alam mo yung literal na, pag pumunta ka sa, yung mga nagbebenta ng sampagita, yung mga bata, no? Kung isa ka doon, hindi ko dinedegrade kung ano yung way mo ng pagtatrabaho or negosyo, but, I will just give them as an example. Yun yung mga bata nagtitinda ng basahan or ng sampagita. 'Di ba? They want you na bumili. Pero in a way, nandun yung pagpapaawa. Kasi alam nilang kailangan nila yung money, no? And they will do everything, they will say everything para makuha yon sa'yo. And that's what I'm seeing here. They're trying their best na ibigay or ipakita sa'yo or gawin para lang hindi mo sila i-ignore or wag mo silang or biglang layuan or alisan itong bagay na ito. So, but you are actually focusing on the new beginning while you are being manipulated with the devil. So, nakikita nga natin, may plano ka, pero nandun yung parang, hindi mo maisakatuparan yung plano mo kasi parang nandun ka pa rin sa point ng buhay mo na steady ka pa rin or nakikinig ka pa rin dito sa mga taong ito. So, what will happen in the near future for you? For the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn in the near future for you. In the near future for you. You do have here the Six of Wands. Okay, Six of Wands. Clarify the Six of Wands. What's with the Six of Wands? You do have here the Nine of Cups. Okay. So, tell me more. Tell me more for the sign of... Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Queen of Swords, and the Chariot. Okay, so what's with the Queen of Swords and the Chariot? The Fool, the Strength card, and the Eight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the King of Swords, the the Six of Wands. Nakikita natin ito as like, lagi naman talaga sila nandyan. You do have other options. I mean, I see this as accomplishment. So, I mean, dun muna tayo sa istoryang walang kinalaman sa love, no? If this is giving you accomplishment, a lot of people are seeing na ito ka, medyo mataas ang tingin nila sa'yo, marami ang nakikita yung success mo. Maybe for now, you are not seeing that success because of the struggle na nararamdaman mo ngayon. Well, I highly suggest na if you need to cut off something, i-cut off mo yung I don't know, maybe you being overworked. Maybe you need to focus on healing first, or if there's problem pagdating sa career mo or sa business, you have to heal whatever the problem is. The strength card is here. Ito yung mas magbibigay ng kalakasan dito. The fool, it's okay naman na nakikita natin na mag-take ka ng risk about something new kung hindi naman ito makakaapekto sa kung ano man yung dapat mong iayusin or i-heal dito. So, I feel like meron kang dapat tanggalin, but it's not the whole thing. It's not the whole career. Maybe yung iba sa inyo, if you want to change career, hindi yung pinaka-career yung tatanggalin. Maybe, yun nga, maybe hobby, or maybe a particular person in your life that is no longer serving you. Importante sa'yo, but it's no longer serving you. Nandyan lang siya, parang sumusunod, and then nothing is happening there. So, you need to cut off something or someone in your life na nakakaapekto pagdating sa kung paano ka mag-earn ng money. And at the same time, pagdating sa love naman, I can see that there's a lot of options here in the near future. Pero may tao talagang ayaw umalis sa tabi mo, laging nandyan. Even though you cut off this person, masakit din para sa'yo. But, with the Chariot, I feel like the person is always there. So, yeah, you being the King of Swords in the near future, nandun yung masyado kang mapagbigay eh. But, yeah, I feel like it's fine. It's okay. Palakihin mo yung signal ng connection mo with these people na talaga nakakatulong sa'yo. And then, if you need to cut off someone or something in your life, ito yung hindi na masyadong nagbibigay ng signal or ng connection sa buhay mo. Like, you need to let this person go. Maybe a friend, a lover, or an employee. If you do have a business, you have to cut this person and let this person go. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.